Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make another slime video, but today we're not going to do what we did last time. We are just going to do free whatever we want, but we're going to make 3 small slimes and then put them on the plate and mix them. Whoever's is prettier is the winner.
Okay, Susie, let's get started. So, get an ingredient, I guess. I'm going to start with my glue, then colors. First, I'm going to do green. I'm going to do green color.
That was the glue.
I'm going to do the green colored slime first. That's probably enough.
Amber, that's enough glue.
Okay.
Forget it, my turn.
Okay. Food coloring, then we'll add in...
And we could always add more glue.
And more colors. Basically, we could add anything we want and then mix this up. Okay. Getting pretty dark. It's a really nice green color, I guess. It's already kind of...
This is my beautiful slime.
We have a few beads. We have some lotion. We have shaving cream. Obviously, the colors. And, of course, we got glue and activator.
I feel like I should add more glue because this is too tiny, this slime.
Too tiny. There's no such thing as too tiny. Okay, we're going to add in shaving cream. Yeah.
I think that's enough
Yeah,
since
probably.
it's a tiny slime.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this will obviously make my slime a little lighter,
And
darker color. It's already kind of slimy.
Look how tiny my slime
I
is.
might not have to use activator.
Look, I think I need even more glue because mine is so tiny.
Well,
You added more glue than mine, but we need enough for 3.
oh dear. We should have gotten napkins before this.
You want me to go get your one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
See you later. Okay, I somewhat have a slime, except it's kind of, I don't know
It's
what
fine.
you'd call this, like sticky
Glue.
I-
That's what you could call it.
glue.
Yeah. It's a nice, beautiful.
Now it
glue.
won't come off my hand slime. Okay, I think I'm
Now I'm going to add shaving cream as well. I think that's enough.
As much. I'm going to add a tiny bit more glue because, I don't know, I'm just going to add more.
I think shaving cream is like activator.
Exactly. That's why okay, hopefully this will. That looks like slime, right?
No.
It's getting really hard to mix. It's like a peppermint slime.
Yeah. But then you'll add the other 2.
Oh no, it's on me. It's like really on me, like everywhere. And I put, how, we need to wash these in between slimes, Sadie. So, I'm just gonna.
Why? We're just making. We're mixing them anyway.
True.
I
Mine's
might
too
start
sticky.
kneading.
I don't know what to do with that. It's just sticky.
It's not sticky at all for me.
Oh, well, we have 2 different problems. Not sticky at all and too sticky.
Well, actually, never mind. I should probably add some activity.
Ugh. It looks like slime, but it's so sticky. It's
Yeah, I think you should add activity.
Uh-oh. Just Put activator in mine, please. Thank you. There, now it's actually becoming slimish. Except it's stuck to me everywhere. Everywhere.
Go.
Okay, we're going to be done with this one. Okay.
Done!
Get on the plane. Mine will go
I have extra activator.
in yours.
Yep.
I don't know
Okay.
if that's bad or good. Okay, I'm gonna try and scrape out a little more of this color.
Amber, you gotta hurry.
I'm working on it.
Because you know we're timed.
No, we're not timed. You didn't tell me this before. How dare you?
Well,
You know what? I got slime on me. Just gonna ignore it.
oh, this is like blood red.
Oh yeah. It's gonna turn purple
It's
in yours.
beautiful.
Okay.
I don't want it to turn purple yet.
Not
So
yet.
just add.
Uh,
My plan is to make.
going to this one. We're going to make a nice sunny yellow.
Ew.
Hopefully.
Disgusting.
Looks disgusting. Look, it
I
looks
know it's
orange.
disgusting. It's like an organ.
Okay. Now I have to go that far.
Now, I think the last one
I
I'm
think
not
my
gonna
sunny yellow is going to turn into.
A what?
I should have used the spoon. It's not even close to being a slime yet. Except it's sticking.
It's
to me.
beautiful now. It's not an
I'm
organ.
just gonna use my fingers the whole time.
Oh, you're
Yes.
doing yellow next. I'm doing red.
It's already slime, I guess. And it's a nice sunny yellow
I think
color.
I should add.
This one's like way like
yeah, I think I need
squishier
to
than
add
the rest.
glue.
You need to add glue. You haven't added glue
No.
yet?
Yes, I have, but the activator that was already in
It's-
it activated the glue.
I'm done with my second
Or
slime.
I could put the shaving cream.
I'm done with my second one, Sadie. I don't even remember. I put basically glue, shaving cream, and I'm gonna go wash my
Your
hands.
cells are so much bigger than mine.
It's alright.
I think I need
That's
that.
washed off enough.
Oh.
Perfect.
Well. Awkward silence.
Okay, Sadie.
Okay.
So my bowl is
Now.
disgusting at the bottom.
Yeah,
There's
I
still
finished
slime.
Adding, it's beautiful. Move this.
Okay, my next color will be blue.
I forgot to add some beads. Oh.
I'll add beads at the end when I've made all of my slime. That was my idea at the beginning. Okay, so hand me
Isn't
some
it beautiful?
glue. We'll clean that up later.
Oh,
This glue is very slimy.
I think this is the one that's gonna happen.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little lotion into this one. Oh well, this lotion will be fine. Okay.
This is
It just
nice.
sticks to
It's
me.
like
Sadie, the lotion's bottom stuck to me. You wanna hurry up? I'm almost done with my next color.
I'm sorry, okay?
Ow.
It turned out bad because I had extra activator.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, it is.
How is it my fault?
Because you made it so that you could win.
How did I do that?
I don't know. Because you looked up the internet.
Just you're
I
crazy.
think we should cut that part
Not gonna lie, it looks real creepy, sis.
Oh.
That's creepy. Your slime is like the most creepy.
Oh. It's because it's.
I think I'll have to.
I think you
edit that part out. No, it's fine. These are very squishy.
Well, we're gonna have to clean it.
There goes my blue. I meant yellow, not blue.
Good job.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yours is a
My
mess.
hands are crazy. Oh, there goes the lotion. I need to wash my hands
Oh.
again.
Amber. What did you do?
I'm beating you is what I'm doing.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I think I'm
Okay,
good.
time to add in colors of beads.
I think your slime is more sloppy than mine.
Well, yours is more beady.
What do you mean?
Beady.
Yellow
Okay,
one
I
is-
overdid it with the blue, but it's all right.
You have 2 more to put in.
I have one more spin in, actually. Wait, I just put this one in.
Now, actually, should I put shaving cream in?
I'm putting shaving cream in all of mine.
Yeah,
Okay,
every
let's
slime.
mix.
Okay.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna put shaving
put more lotion.
What did you do to the shaving cream?
Too late. It's all right. Okay. And accept me. Okay, I gotta put lotion in mine.
Look how beautiful.
I'm mixing mine. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, it's so fluffy. It won't mix very well. This might take me a while. Mix, mix,
I need to
mix,
get the activator.
mix.
Oh yeah. Now,
Mix, mix.
guys, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see us make more videos like this, and comment down which one you like better, my slime
slime's not stretchy.
or Amber's
My slime's not stretchy enough. It's like not stretchy at all, actually.
Oh,
So, I'm
well,
just gonna dip it in here.
look how beautiful. This is mine. I'm just
It's
kidding.
very beautiful.
I think the blue might overtake everything.
I think you're gonna end up with the purple. Mine is.
I think
pretty
mine is
though.
gonna stay like this, which is
No, look at mine. Mine was crazy, but now it's somewhat tame.
Look, it's beautiful.
It is very beautiful, except the only problem
This
is
is from
mine.
Amber's slime.
Mine doesn't strip.
Oh, Amber, you're gonna have to clean up that mess. Yeah, the blue is overtaking everything. Well, I'm gonna have a nice blue. Actually, it's starting to become purple.
Mine's not stretchy, except it's beautiful.
It's like, oh, this part.
yeah,
Beautiful right here.
it's very non-stretchy.
Look, Amber, it's beautiful.
Okay.
Amber, would you stop making a mess?
I'm gonna just put some shaving cream in here.
Oh,
I'm gonna-
that's pretty.
I did it.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you. Look how beautiful. It's so beautiful.
It looks hideous. Now mine's getting stretchy-ish.
Oh, we're gonna have to clean all these up.
I think I overshaved it.
Overshaved it.
Creamed it.
Jeez. How much do you have to put in?
A lot.
A lot. Good answer.
As you can see, a lot. might take me a while to mix in the shaving cream. It looks beautiful if you could actually see the color.
Yeah.
So
This is how mine is like. So far, it's beautiful.
it's hideous.
Brown,
Let's
purple.
just be-
Actually, it's
let's
turning
just
like a
be
magenta.
honest. Yours. Well, there goes another bead. This is mine. It's beautiful.
We're gonna have to clean all these up.
Yeah.
Oh.
At least you can see. I got tons of shaving cream on my hand. Okay, let's just flatten it down. Sort of. Needs more blue is what it needs. Don't you think it needs more blue?
Why do you not love me?
I think it's pretty, but do you think it needs more blue though?
No.
No. Do you think it's pretty much perfect then?
Yeah.
Sucker. I'm gonna wait.
No.
Yes.
It's all what the viewers think. Oh. Comment who won.
Oh, there's a bubble.
on-
See, look, it's a baby bubble.
Comment down. Oh, and make sure if you haven't checked out all our other videos, check them out. Our names are Swan and Dragon. And I almost.
So you're trying to make a sculpt a thumbs up.
Oh, it looks like a pig emoji.
No, it doesn't. It's beautiful is what it is.
I just had
Let's see. Just going to try and make a thumbs up with
Hurry
the
up.
slime on here.
Come
I
on.
think I did a good job.
Yeah,
This
I
is
think
the
it's gonna
wrist.
turn into.
Hold
a
on, I got a
brown.
better idea. Did it. Totally nailed
Okay, this is my beautiful slime. Now I'm gonna make it look beautiful. Oh, yes.
It's hideous. Look at my slime. It's a little twister.
Yep. You know what? That didn't turn out into a good swirl.
No, it didn't.
I got this.
Why did you put such big beads in yours?
Because I wanted to. And it's.
And at least the shaving cream makes the slime actually smell good. Most slimes smell disgusting. Like really bad.
Who cares about this?
I do.
Look how beautiful. Guess what it is in the comments. And type in who won. And this is his beautiful swirl.
That's great.
You see?
Comment down below who won this challenge.
Yeah.
Me or Sadie?
It's obviously me. Look at his beautiful swirl.
Bye guys.
See? Bye.